టైం షిఫ్టింగ్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను యూజింగ్ MATLAB, and this is the time shifting signal. We can see this y of t equal to x of t minus capital T. So this is capital T times we can shift the time here. We can say this x of t equal to 0 to 6. This is the interval. So after shifting capital T times I am shifting here, means here 0 to capital T and t plus 6, capital T plus 6. For example, capital T is 1 means that is 1 here, and t plus 6 means that is 1 plus 6, that is 7. So we can shift the time like this, or else we can take, if capital T is minus 1, we can shift like this also, here minus t plus 6 and minus t. So like this we can shift the time, the required signal. And for this we can see the code for that, MATLAB code. This is the time shifting signal, and clear all CLC and close all. This is the same thing. Time period is minus 10 to 10. I will explain. I will take minus 10 to time 10 to 10 for the given input signal, sine wave. So this is the sine 2 pi 0.2 into 2. This is the original signal I am taking, and the capital T value I am taking, that shifting time is k equal to 3. So therefore the shifted time is, that is t minus k. K times I am shifting, that is minus 3. K minus 3. T minus 3. So after shifted, this is the signal. This is the original. And this is the shifting time, shifted signal. So we need to draw the two signals. We need to plot. For that, subplot of two rows and first column and first diagram lo, this one will get plot. That is first one, t comma x signal is representing here. Plot. We can plot the x signal, and title should be original continuous, and time x label is time and y label is x of t. Next, second one also we need to draw. That is plot minus 10 to 10. This is also, that is plot t comma x shifted signal we need to plot here, and title should be time shifted continuous signal, and x label is time. So the same thing we need to execute on the MATLAB. First we need to open the MATLAB, and we'll get the index like this, and same code we need to write here. After writing this code, save it, and any folder you can save, and any folder you can save it. I am saving time shifted.m. in my folder only. I am saving and save it. Then the top side run option is there, green button. We can click on that, and we'll get our shifted output signal. So this is the shifted time shifted output. We can see this is the original from 0 to it is started from minus 0, and it is started from here. We can see this shifted. After shifting, we can see the difference. That is, this is the shifted output, and this is the original signal. Like this we can generate the time shifting output. Thank you.